You have a judgment, but you don't know which bank the debtor uses. Bank account levies are useless if you serve the wrong bank, and most states limit how many banks you can levy without cause. Here's how to find a debtor's bank accounts efficiently. I'm with peoplelocatorskiptracing.com, and bank account location is one of our most common professional engagements. Here's the framework. The debtor's exam is the most direct method. Most states allow a post-judgment proceeding where the debtor must disclose all accounts under oath. Failure to comply is contempt. The debtor either tells you or they face criminal sanctions for refusing, which is sufficient pressure in many cases. Canceled checks from any prior interaction with the debtor reveal their bank. If you ever received a check from them for an unrelated transaction before the judgment, the bank's name and routing number are on the check. Old contracts, leases, or financial agreements between you and the debtor sometimes include bank account information for ACH or wire transfer purposes. Public records sometimes reveal bank relationships. UCC filings show secured transactions, including loans where the debtor pledged accounts as collateral. Mortgage documents, business loan filings, and similar records identify lenders. For business debtors, business credit reports often list bank relationships. Dun & Bradstreet, Experian Business, and similar services aggregate this information. Tax records, when available through legal discovery, identify accounts that paid interest or made deposits. If the debtor has a website with online payment, those payments often go through specific processors that link to specific banks. Stripe accounts, Square accounts, and PayPal accounts are reachable through subpoena. For consumer debtors, public records linking accounts to addresses sometimes appear in collection databases. Licensed bank account search services, available to investigators with permitted purposes, aggregate banking information from many sources. These services identify accounts at specific institutions, sometimes with last known balance information. The Federal Reserve maintains a national settlement service. Banks can also be searched through FFIEC databases that catalog every chartered institution. A professional asset search includes bank account location through licensed databases. Cost is typically modest compared to the value of accurate bank information for levy purposes. For professional asset searches and bank account location services, visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com. 20 years of helping creditors find what they need to collect.